What we are trying to do here is a kind of play about what is theater. We are questioning the idea of how to get theater about these elements that we use for make it, like actor and audience and time and scenography and all that. So we are playing with these elements, and then we change the real body for toys, figures, and all that kind of world. It's a kind, in that sense, of object theater or puppets. But we were trying to discover too if it's possible to do a theater play with something like kind of sculpture that is really quiet, static, how to move that idea. And then we play with the idea of William Shakespeare because it's like the big one of the theater makers. And then we try to play with this irony of how to build a Shakespeare thing, but really trying to change all the characters from William Shakespeare with the things that you can find at home. Like, for example, for a king, we have a Hulk, these kind of things. And then, in that sense, we play, too, with the idea of the themes from William Shakespeare, like power, death, love, all these universal things, but really trying to go for a new way of doing, not try to explain you again the same story that you have listening a lot of times on a stage. So at the end it goes for something more abstract, more visual, and very ironic in that sense. Well, it's the first day that we show today, but really I feel a very strong connection with the audience. I think it's easy for the audience, the first show that I did here, because it's more narrative. But then I suppose that the people who have seen both, they understand really the connection, because the first rule that I put in this show to work, it was to forbid myself to touch the elements. The other show, it was really a manipulation, and then it was a kind of a stop motion, and in this I was trying to don't do this. And then first time I received a lot of awards. I suppose this time is not going to be the same.